Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to install the Wilwood brake system, 11-inch rotor on a 92-95 Honda Civic EG. So first you're going to want to take your 11-inch rotor and your hat, and these are directional, so you're going to want to make sure that that you have the correct ones on each side. If you notice, there's an arrow right there on the rotor, okay? So next you're gonna want to take your torque screws and put a little Loctite on them. That way, you know, you're covering all grounds. You don't want this to come loose on you ever. So there's 6 torque bolts that go around the rotor and the hat, so just make sure you screw these on by hand first. That way you're not cross-threading anything. Hopefully this video saves you guys some time when it comes time to install your brake system on your 92-95 Civic. Here's my last one. So again, I put Loctite on all of them. Next, you want to take your T40 torque size, and I tighten these with the machine because I'm a little lazy at first. At least I'll do it all the way and then hit it with my impact gun. I'll take my impact gun just to make sure it's nice and tight. Boom, that's together now. Again, you're gonna want to make sure the arrow are on pointing. Alrighty. Perfect. So now we have the rotor together. You could put that to the side. Now you're going to want to grab your bracket, which will go mounted on the hub, OEM hub. That. You're going to want to take these little guys, split it right through, sit them right there. So you're ready to put them. Put the bracket on. 2 washers go on this end of the screw. Alrighty. So you're gonna want to have this groove here facing the back. Take a little screw, split it right through. Again, do everything by hand first. Don't tighten it with the machine. You might cross thread something. There you go. So all of these are in right now. This is a 14. Yep. Oops, I loosened it. Lifted it. Jesus Christ, I did it again. Alright, that's on. Whew. Now you could get your rotor, put it back on. Okay. Your brake caliper. Make sure you don't misplace this pin here. Just put it off to the side because you're going to need that to hold the brake pads in. Now you mount the caliper on the bracket, so you're gonna need 1 washer sitting on the outside of the caliper over here, and then bigger gold washer. Same thing. Now, unfortunately, I don't have these two of these screws that hold the rotor in, so at least I'll be mounting one. Make sure you put both on, please. All right, looks good. Now I haven't bleed the system yet, so I'll show you guys that in a whole nother video. But that's how you install your big brake system made by Wilwood. Thank you guys, and make sure you give us a follow on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Appreciate it. Subscribe.